everyone, it's Mary and welcome back to With Love Designs. Today we will be making a small purse that can hold a gift card, small gifts, or treats. So the dies that I will be using is this die right here, and that's by kscraft. And so you've got several pieces. You've got the main base here, and then you've got the layering piece for it, or the matting piece. You've got the side walls for it, or the bottom piece, zippers, tassel, a bow, and then you've got this piece here, which layers on top of this here, or cuts as well, this piece here, this detailed piece here. And then this piece here is actually a box. It can create a box, and the way this purse is created is this dice set here. You cut it twice and it can make a box. So once we're at that stage in building the purse, I'll show you what this box is, where it fits basically. I am not using this die here to create the box. I am actually just using this piece here and the base and the layering piece for the front and back. So cut this twice, and of course this one twice. Because I have, as you know, have a lot of purses in my collection, I decided to alter the way I would make this purse just because I liked it better this way. All right, so here is the two pieces that I was talking about. So two each with my main piece right here. My end piece is just for decoration. But what we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna end up cutting one of these pieces, these tabs off. You don't need both of them. So you can just take one, take scissors and just cut like so, just so you can remove one flap of it, because you won't need both as a closure. So then you'll have this piece, which still has a flap, and then this one without. And then so this one here, as you see, I have 4 sides. I won't need this piece because this piece actually belongs here on the box. And since I'm not going to use the box part of this die set, I'm going to remove this piece here. So then it leaves us with the piece that looks like this. All right, so now basically we're just gonna fold, assemble where we need to fold and assemble and glue, and it should be a really quick purse to make. So let's get started. Okay, so now that we're just gonna wait for this to, this Velcro to completely glue down on that one. I don't want the Velcro to fall apart or come apart. So I'm reinforcing it with some clamps. So this is the box that I was talking about. So unfortunately, I forgot about this part when I was putting it together for you guys to see, but let me just pull another one in here. Another base, basically. But basically, what this box is meant to do is to go in the middle. I didn't want to do that. It just, to me, it just doesn't look like a finished purse. So that's what it would look like if I use the box portion of it. It still hides the box, so it's not like, you know, it's going to show. But usually, like if you glued this box here and glued it to the bottom, you can have access to, you can either glue this if you wanted to the side, which I've seen some people do. Some people glue one side, glue it from the back, and then leave this side so they can do inscription, which is a great idea too. But I just didn't like the opening of this on top of the actual closure of this, so it's just too much for me. It's just not easily accessible, the things in there with this little flap here. So that's why I just did what I did. And so here's a finished piece here, and basically did the two-piece end pieces at the bottom, and then you can open it up. You've got all this room. Same size, right? So you've got pretty much the same size or same height. This one's actually a little bit smaller, or a little bit, actually they're the same height if you look at it side by side. So I just wanted to take this box portion out of the way, and by cutting these two pieces here, cutting two pieces of this, it did the same thing. And then of course just cutting the end piece that I don't need, because I won't need that flap here. So what fits in here? A hand sanitizer fits in here, really easy. Gift cards, of course, fits in here, no problem. Mascara, lip gloss will fit in here with, well, maybe not two, but you can still close it without having an issue. It's still secure. It won't fall out. And then, sorry, lip balms will fit here, again, with no issue, because there is a lot of room. This type of hand sanitizer will fit in here. It will fit sideways, and you can still close it. So, again, no problem with it spilling or falling out. You can even put eyeshadow, and it still fits in here. So a lot of options. Small gifts, like I said. Candy for sure will fit in here. So it's not limited just because it's smaller than most of the purses that I make. It still fits most of the things. So very cute die. It's still available on Amazon. Again, it's by kscraft. They have good dies as well, and it cuts. And this is pretty affordable, and I think it's cute. There's another version of this, but I like the handle on this one. The other one was just more simple. It's just a straight up half circle. And the middle piece was different as well. And it looked like it was also like a box-like. So that is the project. Let me show you other variations of this. So here's our one, and the sides. Here's another one that's non-Christmas. And I just do both sides. And you've got another Christmas. It doesn't have to be Christmas, but it came from a Christmas pack, so I'm calling it Christmas. This one. This one. This one. This is really cute. I love all the colors on it. This one, my poinsettias, this is okay. Don't like how much white space there is, so I'm gonna have to rethink that to kind of put something on it. It looks too plain for me. And then the last one that we created together is this one. And this one has a shimmery Christmas tree, red Christmas tree. So very, very cute. It's easy, like you saw. I just took the dies and reconfigure it based on what I liked, how I thought the dies could work for me. I only used 3 dies, and it was really quick and simple. This die set has a lot more options, but that's what I used. Let's finish this one out. Forgot to put the little bow or ribbon. I gotta clean that up, but I'll clean up the glue after the video. But so this is another purse that I'll be making. So I've made, I think I'm gonna make a total of 15 for the craft fair. That's just how quick I was able to make these. I really enjoy everybody's comments and feedback, and just appreciate that we have an amazing community, and just enjoy sharing my joy and my project with you guys. Thank you again for your time, and have a good week, and see you again soon. Thank you guys. Bye.